What if one question asked before every small purchase could save you over $1,800 this year? Not a budget. Not an app. Not a spreadsheet. Just one simple rule you can start using today. It's called the $5 rule, and it targets the exact type of spending that drains most people without them even noticing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, starting with your very next purchase. Most overspending doesn't come from big purchases, it comes from dozens of small ones you barely notice. A coffee here, a random checkout grab there, a subscription you forgot about, these quietly add up to hundreds every month. The $5 rule is designed to catch exactly this, the spending that flies under your radar every single day. Here's the rule: anytime you're about to spend $5 or more on something unplanned, you pause and ask one question. The question is, would you still buy this if you had to hand over physical cash, right now, in your hand? Something about imagining real physical cash completely changes how your brain values the purchase. Card payments are designed to feel painless. This rule brings the pain back, in a good way. Here's how to apply it step by step in real life. Step 1. Notice the moment you're standing in a store or hovering over the checkout button. Step 2. Pause for 5 seconds and ask yourself the cash question. Step 3. If the answer is yes, buy it guilt-free. If the answer is no or you hesitate, walk away. That's the entire rule. No tracking, no categories, just one honest question every single time. Why does this work so well? Because the $5 to $50 range is where most money actually leaks. It's small enough to feel harmless, but frequent enough to drain your account fast. For big purchases, rent, a car, a major bill, you already think carefully. This rule fills the gap for everything else. Try this for 7 days and count how many times you actually walk away. The number will surprise you. After a few weeks, the question becomes automatic, you won't even need to think about it consciously. At that point, you're not fighting your spending, you're just being honest with yourself before every purchase. Now let's look at why this adds up to real money over a year. If this rule helps you skip just one $5 unplanned purchase per day, that's $35 a week. Over a full year, that's more than $1,800 that simply stayed in your account. And that's a conservative number. Most people who try this find the real savings are even higher. One more time, before any unplanned purchase of $5 or more, pause and ask if you'd still buy it with cash in your hand. If yes, enjoy it completely. If no, you just kept that money working for you. Try it for 7 days. No app, no spreadsheet, just this one question. If this helped, there's a lot more like it on this channel. Subscribe so the next one finds you.